on.
Subscribe.
For this fenugreek spritz, all you're going to need is some fenugreek seeds, a container to put your fenugreek mixture in, your water mixture in, and you're going to need some warm water. Actually, let this water come to a boil, and you're going to need your spray bottle to put your spritz in when you're finished. So that's pretty much it.
Fenugreek is great for your hair, skin, body and digestion. Keep in mind guys, this is just me reading off of Google. It is also a source of Nicotinic Acid, which encourages hair growth, and lecithin, which energizes hair follicles. So basically this fenugreek seed is like a superfood. So now we're going to be putting it into our spritz to see how it works. Keep watching.
So now you don't need any specific measurement of fenugreek, but if you want to make a small mix, you can probably do a tablespoon. Right? And put, let me see, half cup of water. Let me see if this works. I'll put just a little more. Now that's basically it. Now if you watch carefully, you'll see the water has already started turning into the color of the fenugreek. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover it and allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes, right? And after 30 minutes, then we're going to pour out the fenugreek into our bottle, and that'll be it. Now what you could also do is add some more water to the remainder fenugreek because it's still good, and keep redoing it until you get as much spritz as you can. So now I'm going to put my fenugreek into this container here. So I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, the color has definitely changed from white to completely yellow. It has changed from clear to yellow, and I'm just gonna throw it out here. Fresh fenugreek spritz. All the benefits that I told you guys at the beginning of this video are going to be listed at the end of the video. So that's how simple it is to make fenugreek spritz. So this is basically how it's supposed to look when you're finished, and I'm gonna spray it in my hair. Can see one side. So guys, this is basically the end of the video. It's supposed to last about 1 to 2 weeks. Put it in the fridge, and yeah, keep spraying it in your hair every single day for maximum results and massage. So guys, thank you all so much for tuning in once again. Make sure and subscribe for more videos of me teaching you all DIYs like this. Trini Mom Beauty is out.